what it takes, like what are the basic qualification or what are the basic skills we should have for a final year student or a third year student to get an entry level job according to you, because you have created such a big company, you have seen lot of people as a recruit, you have recruited a lot of people. What are the basic parameters or basic qualification that at least they should be ready with till final year of graduation so that they can be job ready? Or what are the 5 favorite things that Quickie looks up to it when they hire?
So when it comes to cybersecurity, as I earlier explained, the answer was there are multiple verticals. There can be non-technical aspects, there can be technical, there can be semi-technical. More towards technical, as I'm addressing CS students, I can say is that even in technical field, there are so many vertical inside cybersecurity. There's a networking, then there's a Linux, there's IoT security, then there's Windows security, phones and mobile security. So there are different aspects. One cannot study everything. So what I'll suggest is, no matter what subjects you are going through or doing as a post-graduation or graduation or engineering, you will find, if you have passion for certain vertical, do one thing is go deep there, go deep into certain vertical. It can be, say for example, networking. आपने networking के बारे में पूरा information लिया, study किया. Go out of the syllabus. Don't stick yourself to study what is there in syllabus. Go and make sure, find out what is additionally that is being talked about in the same vertical in which you are interested. If it's networking, see what all everybody or who are the experts who are talking out there, what they are talking about, what is the current challenge that they are trying to solve, and you can grab that knowledge by just studying YouTube videos. And if you have that, whenever you go for interview in any cybersecurity organization, you can make sure that you are selecting the post or requirement that was for that particular vertical which you were interested into, and you will be able to answer all the questions. Because you are passionate, you have the latest information. There is nothing that you cannot answer or get selected. No doubt. And many times I have selected students who are having even backlog, but still they had a very thorough knowledge of particular subject. I selected students who are having deeper OS knowledge, but they were not having other knowledge at all. Like networking का नहीं था इसमें, लेकिन OS का पूरा मालूम था.